Today we're installing the Transit Hood Strut Kit from Flatline Van Co. This one is really straightforward. You're looking at about a 30-minute install start to finish. Before we get rolling, make sure you've downloaded or printed the install guide from our website just in case you want to follow along. Then, lay out all your parts and hardware to make sure you've got everything you need. Before diving in, take a quick look at how your hood lines up with the van body. It's a good idea to snap a few photos so you've got a reference for alignment later. Now, open up the hood and prop it in the upright position. Next, grab a T30 Torx driver and remove the 2 screws holding in each headlight. If you've got halogen headlights, pop each one out and disconnect the 3 connectors per unit. If you've got LED headlights, it's just a single connector per side. Take your time here. Those plastic tabs on the wiring harness can be a little brittle. On the driver's side, remove the flanged bolt using a 13mm deep socket. Then remove the 2 flanged hex head screws with your 10mm socket. You can also unclip the hood release cable and move it out of the way to more easily access the area for installing the bracket. Now we'll get the struts ready to go. Connect the driver's side brace assembly to the driver's side body bracket by threading the ball end of the gas strut through the body bracket and into the rivet nut that's already pre-installed on the brace. Repeat that same setup for the passenger side assembly. Position the driver's side hood strut assembly where the factory hardware came off earlier, lining up the holes with the pre-threaded mounts. Secure it back down using the flanged bolt and the 2 flanged hex screws you removed earlier. Repeat the same process for the passenger side. Before we attach the upper brackets, use a little tape and a marker to mark your hood alignment. If you draw a straight line from the factory hinge notches, you'll be able to see if anything shifts during installation. Next, grab your 13mm wrench and remove the upper flange nut that secures the hood to the hinge. Mount the driver's side hood bracket in the correct orientation using that same hardware. Now, loosen the lower flange nut just enough to slide the bracket around the bolt. Be careful when loosening these bolts, and only adjust one at a time as to not make them too loose, which may cause the hood to slide out of adjustment. Tighten it back down once the bracket's in place. Repeat that for the passenger side. Using the supplied nuts and washers, attach the upper ball end of each gas strut to the hood brackets. You'll need your 12mm and 13mm wrenches to tighten everything down. Go ahead and close the hood gently to make sure everything lines up and moves smoothly. Check the spacing between the hood and the van body. If it looks off, you can loosen and reposition the hood brackets until it's perfect. Now open the hood again. The gas struts should fully support it on their own. No more needing to prop it open manually. Finally, reinstall your headlights using the Torx screws you removed earlier. And don't forget to reconnect the wiring clips you unclipped before. That's it. Your Flatline Van Co Hood Strut Kit is installed and ready to roll. You've now got smooth, easy hood operation with no need for a hood prop rod. Feel free to reach out to our support team with any fitment questions you may have, and thanks for following along on this video.